Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. The reason I am quiet because I am doing this a little late, and we are going to be using all of our coins for Pro Pack. See if we can get anything good in this. So I'm just gonna pause here, and when I get all the Pro Packs, I will be back. Alright, we have the Pro Packs. And we only have 53 coins left, so that might ruin our road to 1 million coins. So let's talk about something. So, first of all, please smack that like button, and I'll do more of these. So, 1 like, and I'll do more of these. And please subscribe. Hopefully we can get something good in this, not crap. So let's get right into it. Can we get any elites? No. Alright. Next pack. Any elites? No. I want elites. Two more packs. Please, no trash. No trash. Anthony Barr. It's a good card. Worth like 20k. Please, elite. Alright. Let's overview what we got. So we got Anthony Barr, Leonard Marcellus, Will Fuller, Tyvon Branch, and Shane Vereen. And we got all these silvers and all these trash bronzes. Trash. I guess we can do the trophy thing. Where is it? It should be in here somewhere. Boom. Alright, can we get any elite trophies in this? We get 2 golds. We need 2 more silvers. Hope we can get some good stuff out of this. No. Trash, trash, trash. That is just trash. Really bad trash. Didn't get anything good in this pack opening, which sucks. But we do have a quick sell pack. Hopefully this pack can turn us around. So I'm gonna cover it. You guys are gonna see it first. Alright. So I'm gonna search cards here. I know, let's search silver collectibles. 30k. Alright, we'll do 4 more pro packs. I will get those when I'm done. Alright, we got 5 more pro packs. Hopefully we can get a good elite in this. Boom. We get BCA gear, but that's not what I want. Let's do reveal all. Bam! Yeah! Oh! Todd Gurley! We pulled a Todd Gurley. get 89 speed, 90 block area vision, 87 agility. Tell me in the comments down below if I should do elite pack opening next pack. That's how we do it. Let's go see. After this one, we'll see how much Tiger Lily is. And another one! Another one! Another one! Let's go! Another one! And this is so lucky. 2 and 4, 2 and 3 packs. Let's go. Alright, let's see what we got in this. So we got Tiger Lily and Elaine Johnson. And then we got those cards. I don't want the Elaine Johnson, so we're going to do an elite. So never mind about the thing, so we're just going to do it now. No, not Tiger Lily. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Derek Johnson. Nah. Can't get anything better. I only show 86 Doug Martin. Alright, let's see what they're worth. Whichever one is worth more, I will 85K. Let's see. 75K. Alright, so it looks like 75K for him. Let's see about Doug. He's also 75K. Who has better? I could use both. He's slower than Tiger Lily. So I'm gonna sell him for 73K. So here, let's see what auction we're on. I don't think I did it right. No, I didn't. That about wraps up. Wait, no, let's update our team. Boom. There we go. Alright. That is our team. So, yeah. I can't believe we pulled this. And when I was hoping for these, yes. So I'm going to see you here. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and peace.